Hi everyone, welcome to the GuideHub YouTube channel. Today for this video of GuideHub, I will be showing you how to recover Hotmail password. So to begin the process, open the Hotmail application first. Tap open the app. Here on the Hotmail homepage or the Outlook, you need to tap on Add Account. Type in the email address, that is the Hotmail. Then tap on Continue. It will direct you to this page where you will need to provide the password. Here on this page, you need to tap on Forgot Password and it will begin the recovery process for your Hotmail account password. Would you like to get your security code? So if you have an email or the phone number that has been added to the account as a recovery phone number or the recovery email address, you will be able to receive a code to that email or the phone number and recover your Hotmail account password. If not, there you will be provided with a different procedure for the recovery. So here you tap on the text and then you need to type in the last 4 digits of your phone number. Then tap on Get Code. Now you need to wait for the code to be received. Once you do that, you type in that code on this text box. There you can see I have received my code. You need to copy this code from here and enter it on this text box. Then tap on Next. With that, you will be able to reset a new password for your Hotmail account. Type in over here the new password for the account. Retype the same password on the below for the confirmation. And then tap on Next. This will change the password for your Hotmail account right away. Now you can tap on Sign In and get signed in into the Hotmail account with the new password that you have just updated. So this is how you can recover the Hotmail account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the GuideHub YouTube channel. Thank you.